Here's how you can add a what3words address field in your Shopify checkout. In the Shopify App Store, find the free what3words app. Click Install. This will open the installation process page. Open your online store in a new tab to keep this page open. Your online store will open on Themes. Click the three dots, then Edit Code. In the Layout directory, click Checkout Liquid. Find the head tag. Go to the Installation Instructions page and copy the code snippet. Then nest the code in the head element. Click Save. Then Preview Store to see the what3words address field on your checkout page. Finally, return to the instructions and press I have completed the steps to finalize the installation.